Halo Sobat YouTube, selamat datang kembali di Music Player Collection.
Terima kasih telah mengeklik video ini. Ada apa di hari ini? Ada video dari Putri Ariani yang telah direaksi oleh wanita cantik asal Inggris. Dan wanita ini adalah seorang pelatih vokal atau guru vokal dan seorang penulis lagu, dan sekaligus dia adalah penyanyi. Jadi ini paketnya sangat lengkap banget ya. Lengkap banget, paket komplit ya. Oke. Dan wanita ini baru beberapa kali mereaksi video Putri Ariani karena memang baru kenal ya. Bahkan seminggu terakhir, seminggu kemarin dia baru mereaksi video Putri Ariani saat audisi ya, saat mendapatkan golden buzzer ya. Berarti memang wanita ini memang baru mengenal Putri Ariani. Tapi sekarang dia kembali mereaksi video Putri Ariani. Intinya wanita ini, penyanyi ini, guru vokal ini ketagihan dengan suara Putri Ariani. Oke, seperti apa analisa atau komentar atau reaksi dari guru vokal ini? Mari kita saksikan bersama. Let's go!
Welcome back to another reaction review video with me, Nina Schofield, singer-songwriter, vocal coach and session musician, and it is a very hot day here in England today. I am so hot. We're having a heat wave. My hair's a bit wet to try and cool me down, so if I look a bit bedraggled, that's why. But we are here to watch some more Putri Ariani, and I'm so excited for her first live show performance from AGT. If you haven't seen my recent reactions to Putri, then I will leave some links up here for you to go and check out, and probably in the description box and maybe the pinned comment too, so do go ahead and check those out. But we're gonna watch today, I can't wait for this, a U2 cover that she's done of I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For. I love this song, and I can see, I haven't played any of this yet, but I can see the spotlight is on Putri and she's at grand piano, I think. So as a piano vocalist myself, I feel like this is going to be something I'm really drawn to. We're just going to see what she does with this rendition, how she changes it up, how she approaches it as a female vocal instead of obviously the male vocal with U2. You know, there's so many things that could be different about this particular version of this song, and I can't wait to watch it. So without further ado, let's watch it. I'll probably have to put a mask on the visual you're about to see in order to get it online copyright wise, but I will leave also a link in the description box for this particular video for you to go and watch afterwards if you want to see it without a mask. Okay, here we go.
Untuk menghindari copyright ya.
Straight one.
Jadi ditutup sedemikian rupa ya.
Isn't it interesting that she's starting this completely a cappella? Now, I just did a reaction to her version of Whitney Houston's I Will Always Love You, and she starts that a cappella as well. So this is a thing with Putri. I think she's really good at drawing you in with those vocals that have nothing else surrounding them. You can hear a little cry in her vocal. See? Even that word there.
Only to be with you. Only to be.
This is amazing.
With you.
Just to have her, nothing else, amazing.
But I still haven't found.
Oh, let's listen to that again. That jazzy element, just flattening the notes slightly.
What I'm looking for.
Listen to the aspirate nature of her vocal there, that breathy quality.
I believe in the kingdom come.
Isn't it great to have the vocal charisma to be able to start the song completely solo, no instrumentation, that whole chorus, verse chorus. With that song, I never know which bit you'd call the verse or the chorus. Anyway, yeah, isn't it amazing to be able to do that whole thing and have that magnetic quality about you that, yeah, you want to listen, you want to hear more of just her vocal.
Then all the colors will believe into one, bleed into one.
Nice.
But yes, I'm still running.
So much power.
You broke the bonds and you lose a chain.
Let's listen to that again. I really like her onsets.
You broke the bonds and you lose a chain.
Amazing.
Carry the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe.
Oh, wow. Oh. See that rundown? Okay, where are we going first of all? Because that was just gorgeous. That's it. Yeah. Oh, that drop down was so nice. It's just such a beautiful rundown there. Let's listen to that again.
Oh, my shame.
The way she goes up there as well. Oof.
You know I believe.
Flip.
But I still
Dynamic drop down.
haven't found
Yeah.
what I'm looking for.
Oh. Okay, so chord change there to what we're used to in the original. I think usually we'd go to the B major. So what Putri's done here is she's gone down to the relative minor of the B flat. So that's essentially going 1, 2, 3 semitone steps to that G minor. And it just gives that part of the song a different feel. Oof, love that.
What I'm looking for.
Yeah.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Nice, and the piano followed her there with her melody change. Whoa. Wow. To belt that F, even with nerves like this is, you know, a high pressure situation. She went for that. She hit that note.
What I'm looking.
Ooh, the flip. Oh. Her control. Oh, note bender. No piano underneath yet.
Yeah.
No piano at all. Wow, so she really... Let's just talk about what she just did there vocally, because it was amazing. She really started it with that a cappella and ended it with that a cappella section like an a cappella sandwich of joy, because, you know, what she did with the song was completely change it to make it her own. That was her own interpretation wholly, in terms of structure even, and vocally, just melodically. She moved away from the original but kept the essence of what it meant. And to do this, you know, it is a nerve-wracking situation to do this kind of live show. The quality and the control that she kept there, considering all of the factors that are going into this, wow. I would love to know your thoughts. Let's listen to what the judges have to say. Everyone's on their feet.
Putri Ariani! Simon!
Oh, she looks stunning.
I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because they don't clear their songs, because I understand there's a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life. That was spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like.
The feeling, the emotion.
I mean, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally. So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning voice. Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection!
Howie.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
Putri.
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Good luck tonight, Putri.
Oh, it's so nice to watch that. Hopefully I can include the judges' comments, copyright-wise, but if not, basically, they loved it. Yeah, it was really good. Such a beautiful rendition. Yeah, it's the emotion. She really understands the emotion behind a song and the impact a song can have, and how her arrangements and her vocal produces that emotional connection is something that you just can't buy. So let me know your thoughts on that and what you think will be happening next in the competition, and what songs you'd like to see Putri singing. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already become part of our family here. You can find links to my various services that help support this channel, like my Patreon page and my Wizio page, where I help you with your singing with a personalised video response. So do go ahead and check those links out, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video very soon. Bye, love you.
Oke, seperti itu demikianlah penampilan Putri Ariani yang telah direaksi oleh musisi asal Inggris ya. Ya, musisi yang sangat paket lengkap. Ini paket lengkap, paket komplit banget ya. Selain menjadi penyanyi, penulis lagu, dan guru vokal atau pelatih vokal juga dia. Ya, hebat. Yang di sini komentarnya sangat positif banget ya, dan memang sangat mengakui bahwa teknik vokal Putri Ariani ini memang luar biasa banget ya. Bahkan di not-not yang menurut guru vokal ini tidak lazim dimainkan oleh Putri Ariani. Jadi ini mengejutkan banget ya. Semua guru vokal memang kaget dengan penampilan Putri Ariani seperti ini ya. Kemarin sudah membuat Simon mengeklik tombol golden buzzer-nya, dan yang kedua, Simon dibikin tidak bisa berkata apa-apa, speechless. Wow, apalagi nanti di final Putri Ariani pasti akan menyiapkan sesuatu yang lebih wow lagi, karena pada dasarnya Putri Ariani pasti sudah mengetahui bahwa lawan-lawannya ini lawan-lawan yang memang cukup lumayan ya, katakan saja cukup menantang ya, bukan lawan-lawan yang ecek-ecek, karena di Amerika Got Talent sekarang ini memang bagus-bagus banget ya, semuanya hampir mendekati bagus ya. Tapi menurut saya Putri Ariani yang memang perfect, Putri Ariani yang memang sempurna ya, itu pendapat saya sih. Karena apa ya, Putri Ariani dengan keterbatasannya yang kita sebut tunanetra, maaf, tapi Putri Ariani itu bisa menciptakan lagu, bisa bernyanyi sambil bermain piano, yang ketiga tentunya bisa memainkan alat musik, berbagai alat musik ya tentunya. Dan yang ditampilkan di Amerika Got Talent, Putri Ariani selalu menggunakan piano. Oke, padahal ada beberapa alat musik yang memang dikuasai oleh Putri Ariani. Kalau Putri Ariani mau untuk mengeluarkan semua itu, ya sudah dapat semuanya, udah bisa mengalahkan semuanya. Sedangkan peserta yang lain mungkin hanya bisa bernyanyi nada tinggi, itu ya udah biasa, udah nggak ada aneh-anehnya dan tidak ada istimewanya. Tapi kalau Putri Ariani ini kelebihannya sangat banyak banget ya. Selain bisa memainkan alat musik, selain bisa bernyanyi, selain itu tunanetra, tapi Putri Ariani itu selalu membawakan lagu dengan penuh perasaan, sehingga penonton atau pendengar saat mendengarkan lagu dari Putri Ariani ini menjadi terenyuh, masuk ke dalam hati, bisa dipahami. Jadi apa yang dinyanyikan Putri Ariani, intinya pesannya itu bisa kita rasakan, bisa kita pahami dengan gampang ya, tanpa harus diperibet. Dengan mendengar Putri Ariani langsung kita bisa paham apa sih yang disampaikan dalam pesan lagu ini. Itulah hebatannya. Wah, makanya saya sangat yakin banget, yakin sekali bahwa di Amerika Got Talent tahun ini Indonesia lah yang akan mengukir sejarah ya, yaitu perantaranya adalah Putri Ariani. Ya, itulah yang dianugerahi oleh Tuhan Yang Maha Esa ya. Oke, cukup sekian saja ya sobat itu. Maaf jika ada kata-kata yang salah dari saya minta maaf, penyebutan nama atau kata-kata yang kurang berkenan ya. Dan bagi kalian semuanya yang mau menonton video resminya dari musisi asal Inggris ini, nanti saya akan tautkan video resminya, tautkan linknya maksud saya di kolom deskripsi ya. Jadi seperti itu, tinggal klik di link di dalam deskripsi tersebut ya. Oke, sampai jumpa kita di video berikutnya. Bye.